Hi, today I'll teach you how to do this magical effect in Davinci Resolve, both in the free and paid version. Let's hop right in. So first you of course have to find your video. Which video do you want to change the color of? I go to pixabay.com, very good site, royalty free images, videos, sound effects, whatever you need, and I'm gonna search up red, and I have videos selected. And here is a nice video time-lapse of a rose growing, and I'm gonna download this video at 1080p, hit download, open Davinci Resolve and also my folder where I have the video of the rose growing, and I'm gonna drag and drop it into Davinci Resolve. So I have my clip right here, and then I just go to the color page and click on this little eyedropper tool down there. Click on that, and then we just click on the red color. Then up here go to show mask or highlight, and then you see we have selected some of the red but not all of it. Click on the little plus eyedropper and just click more into the image until you get all the hues of red that you want. And there I caught some of the green. We of course don't want any of the green, but we need quite a bit of red. Turn off, on, and see there is a little bit missing. Anything else? No, this looks perfectly fine. So now we have our rose selected, but if we go to the color page, so this is almost like a mask, we can change the saturation, pull it up, and we can deselect our mask so we see the entire image. We can pull it down, pull it up, pull it down, pull it up, and do whatever kind of wonky color shifts with it. But instead of the rose, we want the rest of the video to be black and white. So we move back to the little corrector and hit those two circles with the arrows. This means invert the mask selection. Click on that, and now the rest of our image looks wonky. We can just go back, return the gain to normal, and pull down the saturation to 0. And we can move back into our video tab and see as our beautiful rose unfolds, completely red color selected. But Richie, what if I want to also change the color of my rose? Well, then you just go back into the color page, click on the little nodes tab here, add a node, a corrector, put that in front so it is displayed over our existing red image. Then go back to the corrector tab again and select all of the red and make our rose any color we want, like orange. Or I could have, can I get a green rose? Not really. I can get a purple rose instead. So if we go back to our video tab, then our rose is purple. And if you see this tiny icon up here, bypass color grades and fusion effects, if I tap on that, we can see what it looked like before without our changes. And then I can click on it again, and our effect goes back into motion. So before we had this beautiful video, and now we have this beautiful video. And you're all set and done to make all your own beautiful videos with this nifty color isolation trick.